So Etsy landed me another random job, a church near Atlanta, Georgia, about 100 miles from here. Sometimes I feel like I'm cheating when I'm using this thing, but I earned it, so get over it. This thing can plunge right into the cut. Wired version for all the curved cuts. Because I don't need 20 inches, I need like 2.5 inches. So instead of trying to eyeball it all the time, I got this little block here. Puts it right at the right height. And I'm back. I think I like the silver. Cool, it flattens out like this, but I don't know if that's going to be wide enough. We're about to test it out, aren't we, Bella? Just needs one more thing. Ooh, this is awkward. Alright, the kids are with Grandma, going swimming. I'm loaded up in the old Explorer.